Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So today's topic is expression avec faire, which means expressions with faire verb. So first expression is your she made a cake. So it will be elle fait un gâteau. Elle fait un gâteau. Next expression, she is skiing. So it is elle fait du ski. Elle fait du ski. Okay. Now next expression will be your she is doing her homework. So what we call it in French, we call it elle fait ses devoirs. Elle fait ses devoirs. Devoir is your homework. And faire verb is conjugated according to the subject, which is elle. Okay. Next expression is it is hot. It is hot, which means il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. It is hot means il fait chaud. Chaud is hot. Next expression with your faire verb is it is cold. Previous one is it is hot, which is chaud, and now it is cold, which means il fait froid. Il fait froid. Next expression with faire verb is he is taking a walk. So what we call it, il fait une promenade. Il fait une promenade. Repeat after me. Il fait une promenade. He is taking a walk. So people, if you like my video, then please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to my channel, which is Quick French Learning with Shweta. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.